So guys, if you want to edit your videos like mine, just do this and download this app. First, please like and subscribe to my videos. First, if you are in mobile, just go outside in your phone.
Nakamaniac ako na, no?
If you see this, do you see this? You can
Maniac.
download this too.
Hindi ko inaasahan
First
na
app to download is this.
Ano, hindi ko inaasahan na makakamaniac ako nun eh. Kaya ko naman like.
If you download this, you can edit your videos and more. The next one,
Bastos siya, no?
if you see this, you can also edit your videos.
Imbis ka na lang, no?
And this not if you see, just go in like BM app
Iba na siya.
and you can see this app here
Ganyan ka daw.
and this.
Uy, ayan yung ano ko.
And if you
Ayan yung malakas na build ko.
write this in your Play Store or Apple Play Store, but you cannot download this in PC. And if you download this, you can see your face. That's how do you get to edit your videos in PC.